Hi everyone, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make curry chicken, and these are my seasoning that I'm using. I'm using powdered ginger, salt, garlic powder, curry powder. No, this is turmeric, black pepper, pimento seed, and thyme. I'm gonna get my curry. Just have a little bit of curry left, so I have to put some turmeric along with it. And this is my chicken over here. I'm gonna wash with a little vinegar and water. Always wash your chicken, guys. These are the chicken thighs. Chicken thighs have a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor in it. Yeah, we get it like these in Costco. I love to shop at Costco. I'm giving it a second rinse to get that vinegar off. Then we put it over here. And we'll come over here. And we're gonna get these fat off. You know, you can just buy boneless chicken thighs and you won't have all this work to do. But in Jamaica, we like to cook our chicken with the bone, because we also chew on the bone also. So we like to cook it with the bone. I think that's where the flavor is also. You cook your chicken, the bone, you cut them like that, size. This part of the bone in it. So, just break it apart like that. So I'm gonna finish clean up and cut up my chicken. Yeah, we're cutting our onions.
That's probably after the accident. I'm telling you, it hit me right here. Like that felt, you know what I mean? I felt it drag out of it.
And we can go sideways. That's done. Garlic. Just mash.
Wow. I know that's crazy.
And just like that. You don't have to cut these up again. You can just drop it in just like that. You can use less garlic. This is about 6 pegs. You can use less, you can use more if you want. I like a lot of garlic. So we're gonna burn our curry, but this we can put in some garlic powder. I'm just eyeballing everything, put in some garlic powder and some ginger powder
So they're saying that.
That's it. And put some salt in. Salt in there. You don't want to put too much, we can taste for the salt. Put some pimento seed, that's enough. Then we put our onion and garlic, thyme, just drop it in like that. You can pick it out after. We're gonna get it all mixed up. We're gonna eat our pot. Just use a little bit of oil, not a lot, because chicken thigh have a lot of fat in it. I think that's enough. We're gonna burn our curry. We have to cook our curry first.
Because if they hit the back of the transmission, it's a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Plus
This is
all that
a little extra turmeric, because there is turmeric in the curry, so we don't want a lot, just a little bit, because it's good for us.
So if we got into this accident, they're going to have to say what was the problem before and after the accident. They're going to have to determine. Yes, definitely.
Okay, just let that burn. See, our curry is burning now. Yeah, get that curry cooked. Put this in first. Pretty color. Smells so good. Wow. It smells so good. How pretty that is. We're gonna cover it and let it kind of brown a little bit.
We want to dig a little bit deeper. So much.
Take a lot of carrots. Okay.
Well, that's the thing.
It's doing well. Carrots in. A lot of veggies. We got water. Give me a little more water. Okay, that's it, guys. Almost ready. As soon as the carrot's ready. As soon as these carrots cook, we all done. And we're gonna have this with white rice. No, some veggie rice. A lot of veggie. Put some more gravy. Get a lot of gravy. Like you're gonna taste, because I can taste whether we need a little more salt or a little more pepper. You're gonna taste for me, okay? Taste the gravy. What? A little more salt?
It's good.
No more salt. Okay. Okay, guys. I guess right. We're almost there. Soon as the carrots cook, we're done. We're gonna fry some plantain. These plantain are green plantain, trying to ripe, but they didn't ripe pretty. They just off ripe. Because the time is so cold, it doesn't get good plantain. In the summer, we get good planting that ripe properly. These don't even ripe, but you cook them and they taste good. See, they ought to get off the skin.
What's that?
See it looking all black, don't worry about it. Still good on the inside. Gonna just okay, we're almost ready. Almost ready, guys.
that's daily. Okay? It's medium. It's medium. Okay? It's
Here's the finished product. Curry chicken, plantain, and we're gonna have this with rice today. That's it for today. Thanks for coming into my home. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.